Three. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, like that. Just like that.
Like that, TZ? Yeah.
Just like that. Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Work it. Work it.
Monitor up there?
Yeah, the monitor up there.
Reminds me of
The boat this big only passes by like every so often. Like this brunch, 11 to 1 only. So only passes twice, so they only probably have to move it once or twice a day. Dude, imagine if it broke and it just came flying down.
We'd be okay. This wouldn't be okay though.
heavy though.
Let's see how he's gonna park.
Easy. That boat is
Rock and roll. Stick aboard. Stick aboard. Go Niners! Go Green Bay Packers!
Alright, let's wave to everyone in Joe's shack.
Stick
ahead. Stick ahead.
I see Joe's crack!
It should be easy.
How's the crabs?
Everyone line up.
Line up.
No. You just...
I'm not with these guys.
I'm gonna take a picture. You taking a picture of me?
I don't know him.
Say hi, babe.
How's John? Okay, let's go back.
Alright.
Did the bridge go down?
Yeah? You want to wait till the bridge goes down first? You want to wait till the bridge goes down first? Go down. Okay, let's wait. Let's bridge go down first. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Like a boss.
He's a dork. Babe.
What's up?
Hi.